Per IHSAA guidelines, extracurricular activities have been given a 3-phase plan that will be closely monitored and followed by the athletic department and any club sponsor. Guidelines include optional summer activities. All extracurricular activities will follow the 3-phase plan, and in order to participate, all participants and coaches must be symptom-free. Additional guidelines or adjustments to the phases will be monitored and communicated to the sponsor or coach by the athletic department or the superintendent. We realize that within a school population there are many special considerations and situations that arise. We recognize that there are certain situations that may require special attention. These may include, but are not limited to, special education IEPs, classes with unique challenges like choir and band, and students and staff at high risk either due to age or underlying medical conditions. Our hope is to treat each and every one of these situations with respect, empathy, and uncommon care. If there are questions or concerns about any of these special situations or anything else not covered in this document or series of videos, please see the contact information provided to speak with a Triton School Corporation difference maker. Triton School Corporation thanks you for your time and attention to how we can make our return to school as safe as possible. We are in this together to help our scholars grow academically, socially, and emotionally. We all play a role in getting the most out of our scholars and one another. Let's continue to deal with this unfortunate circumstance with grace, integrity, and patience as we all try to get back to a new normal. May we all commit to trying to make the comeback better than the setback. And be on the lookout for more details for both Triton Elementary, Triton Junior Senior High School, and a closer look at the Triton blueprint for bringing Trojans back safely on August 5th.